2 a.m. Sunday the 13th of November 2022. Me and my chauffeur here, Miss Inacia, are going to, we're on our way here, Seal, is otherwise Hawaii, ice cream, with not the city. Apparently he sells salad with it in the Niue. We've never been to Seal before. If I go out in Batu, but we're hoping to find out what he sells. We just finished church. Ko tere ka ira ne whai whuke he umu. Ko he tō mena mo tōne tau he umu. Ko he maa, ko ka kihi, ko mō sisi, ko he whai kai, ko he pō, ko he ka luku with something. Yeah, and whangu wala kai ko he toi mai ni awhini. Mo hoi mai he tō mga whaua ke mo tōru he o mai he tapu he I mai ea he whakakila he whare tapu mai ea. Then is stayed back in church because koe aho tapu nei, koe aho tapu he ipune sea. So yeah, we'll be checking in on her and pick up her after this. Yeah, we just wanted to check in. We actually started. It is recording. This time it's recording. We started this whole conversation. We had this conversation going on before and it was not even recording. Rude. But yeah, we're on our way to Alofi Kiamano. So you're more than welcome to join us on our trip there and back home to TMK for life. So yeah, don't forget to go to church this afternoon, guys. Church is at 4 o'clock. God didn't forget to wake you up this morning, so so thank God for your life and left, please. Sorry, left. Yeah.
Oh, it's just up there.
Yeah. Don't forget to go to church and thank God for your life, for your blessings, for your family, and here, which is my message for you for today. Happy Sabbath, happy Sunday, as I always say. I thought you were going to go over there. Yeah, should be there. Yeah, okay. I'll just take some more. Oh, I thought you were going to help me. I was giving it to you. And because I'll just take 3. Yeah, let's go. Huh? I got 5 right? No, I have 2 and one is good. Oh, okay. Yep, that's creamy. Oh, tu fais pas ni rien? Oh, tu peux te venir ni de quoi? Yeah. And wanted some flour, so I'll get bread. She missed because you know there's a car with bread car in the mornings, Yeah, silangan dapat dia pipi. And she said, oh, baka fly. And I'm like, oh, it's gone, man. It's so funny. Hi, qualified to... Kailan to kay ability?
Fish and chips.
Oh. Melon, right? Like hot. Just go sip any makeup? I'll just get one from one. Có lẽ bên này phân phần của hả? Okay, oh wow, nice. Cái xe đây phần của hả is very nice. Hay cash, không được money. What time did you guys open and close? At 4? Oh wow! Nice. Every day got. Wow. Now I know where to go if you need something. Hey, I've got to let my haki kia up in now. Wow. Now that's what you call opening hours. I'll take that. Hey, thanks for your help. For my chauffeur to open the door.
Lazy.
Thank you, ma'am. Follow with my mère. As Ned would say, follow with my mère. Before we leave, let's blast the aircon and see what these guys have in the fish and chips. Do you want to hold it or? Oh wow! Wow!
It's more fish and chips. That's good.
Cold. Wow. So they have, wow, it's worth it. I think it's like $20. Yeah, 20. I think it's $20 cost 37 more, yeah. And then after I said more fish and chips, they became 57. So yeah, $20. And this is the serving size. Look, me thinking I'm like a bloody vlogger. Yeah. Oh, thank you, Seal. Yeah, check out Seal, guys. They're open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. every night. Every day, yo. Day and night. Okay, let's cover this up. Okay. Thank you, Rama. I fette dog. I can see. Oh, can't wait. Thank you. Yeah, nasa totoo again. Oh yeah. There you have it, guys.